Wow. What did you won't believe me? You're talking in my video. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and don't know who I am, hey, my name is Cherish. And if you do know who I am, hey. And I'm back with another video. This video I'm going to be doing of how to do a braid out tutorial. So don't forget to like, comment, hit the notification button. Follow my socials, they'll be on the screen. I'm about to wash my hair because it's very, very dirty. You already know.
Okay.
So I'll talk to you after I'm done doing my wash out and we'll go from there.
An hour later.
I'm going to be doing a wash routine very, very soon. But let's get started with this braid out. So what braids you doing? You're talking in my video.
Okay guys, so I still haven't decided what part I want. I went to a middle part, but I decided to do a side part. So here, you know, me hyping myself up. Girl, you're pretty. But yeah, so now that I figured out that my side part is side part, I am going to start fixing it up and making it much neater so you can actually see my part and where does it go. So let's get started. So now that my hair is part into a side part, I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections. I believe I did that. After I put my hair into 4 sections, I'm going to be starting braiding. So let's put my hair into 4 sections first. So down in my hair, there's in 4 sections. I have a little piece that I'm going to comb out. So I'm about to use the Shea Moisturizer, which is a leave-in conditioner that strengthens my hair. It makes my hair really, really smell good. So that's what I'm about to use. So I'm going to be using this curl cream. I like it because it makes my curls really, really pop. This product is called Miracle Curls. It's a product I recommend for people who do have problems with frizzy curls and want to know how to stop having frizzy curls when using any product. Okay, so basically I am starting to finish my braid out. You can't really see what it looks like mostly of how I do it, but basically I do 3/2, 1/3, if that makes any sense. So here's a closer look of me doing it. If you see it closely, I'll try to zoom in more, but that's really how I do it. So now we're going to continue doing it, finishing all the way half of my head, and we'll see how it looks afterwards.
Is anybody gonna remember me? And the sun shut down, but I still be cool. Spent like how much? 10,000, 20,000.
To get a closer look, I'm going to be doing 1, 2, and 3 pieces. One goes over 2. Next, you pull those 2 together. Then you're going to do 3/2. Pull those to the side, and then 1 just by itself. Then you're going to do 1, which takes 3. Then 2 takes 1. Then it goes back and forth.
Okay,
Okay, so basically, y'all was able to see, but in the back of my hair, I didn't show the back of it. The back of my hair is just messy braids. It does not have no parts or none of that, and same for the front also. But another thing is, I don't think I said this, but my cousins was in the front like the whole video and was watching me do my hair and wanted to be in it. So they were in it, as you can see. Y'all heard their voices and everything else. So yeah, but I'll talk to y'all in 3 days. Hey guys, so it's basically been 3 days already, went by really fast. So I'm going to be showing you how my braid out turned out. Unraveling my hair, I'm going to be showing the products I used to unravel my hair to get that really nice braid out. So let's get started. Extra virgin olive oil. This olive oil I always use is because it makes my hands really easily to detangle my hair. So I'll talk to y'all, let's get started. I'm just going to say this, my hair has grown. I'm going to put a picture on the screen. So I took a picture like a long time ago, and this same hairstyle, same part and everything. It has grown since then, and yeah. First, all I got to say is, wow. So this is what frame my hair looks like. As I told y'all, I put my hair in the middle part, so it is more on this side than this side. How it turned out, and as I told y'all, I done this before, but hopefully when y'all do this braid out, whatever, hopefully it turns out very well for you guys. But don't forget to like, comment, hit the notification button, give this a thumbs up, and I'll talk to y'all in my next video.